punta tayo sa event. Nandito na mga tropa natin. Hello. Hello sa Gaway sa mga ano. Actually nandito tayo ngayon sa Masville to, di ba? Masville, Sokat Highway para mag-conduct ng event ng Guardians. May ano tayo, ito. May lang sakit mata, may eye check-up, may reading glass, may legal advisor, may haircut, may BP, may program. And guys, tara guys, proceed tayo sa loob guys, para tignan ang event guys. Ano, isandaan kalbo. Ay, hindi papayag guys, hindi papayag. Isandaan sana kalbo. Ayaw. Ako kasi guys pag gupit, kinabukasan barangay anay kami ng tatay guys. Barangay agad, barangay. Okay na tilihan ng mga chicks. Shout out.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Speak slow, speak me fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind the fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can
guys, kainan na, kainan. Kainan na, kainan.
Bakit may sabaw? Bakit may sabaw? Ano lang to? Ha? May sabaw ba?
Ano guys, bakbaka na, bakbaka na. Shoutout sa malalaking tubo dyan, shoutout sa malalaking tubo.
Naka-gloves ka naman eh. Hindi mo na nakikita mo yung tuloy. Para mabilis.
Init na cellphone ko ba? So guys, nakita kami ng kumpare ko dito. Laki-laki ng mundo, nandito nakita kami. Libre. Okay, nandito na naman kami. Pangalawang mission. Pangalawang mission.
Malalaglag yan.
Okay. Dito kami guys sa Marcero Green, tinatawag. Ayun, kaganda ng lugar guys. Dito kami papasokin naman namin dito. Pangalawang mission namin dito sa area. Kaya
Ganon, makarang ng ganon, no?
Kasi wag mo na akong bituhan.
wala maglalaro ng morning.
Mars TFT TV. Please like and share. Subscribe to Pop Up Mars TV for more upload videos. Subscribe now.